Once upon a time, in a shimmering underwater kingdom, lived a gentle mermaid named Seraphina. With long flowing hair the color of the night sky and a shimmering tail that sparkled like the stars, she swam gracefully among the colorful coral gardens. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the floating garden of seagrass, Seraphina came across a tiny seahorse named Finn. Finn was small, with bright orange scales and big sleepy eyes. But he had a peculiar problem. He couldn't stop yawning. Every time Finn tried to swim, he would yawn again. "Oh dear little one," Seraphina giggled warmly. "You must be so tired. Let me help you find a cozy place to rest." With a gentle flick of her tail, Seraphina began to rock Finn softly through the lush seagrass. The garden around them was filled with pearl lanterns that glowed like little stars under the ocean waves. "Look at those beautiful lights, Finn. They will guide you to a peaceful sleep," she said. Finn gazed in awe at the glowing lanterns, his yawns slowing down as he felt the calmness of the water. They drifted past playful schools of fish that shimmered like rainbows. "Look how they dance. Swimming is so much fun, isn't it?" Seraphina said, encouraging Finn to see the magic in the calm ocean. Finn nodded, but another yawn escaped his little mouth. Seraphina smiled and continued her soothing journey. They swam gently toward a hidden cove surrounded by soft, fluffy sea foam. "This is one of my favorite spots, Finn. It's a perfect place to relax and dream," she whispered. Finn felt the warmth of Seraphina's voice wrap around him like a soft blanket. As they approached the cove, Seraphina found a soft bed of seaweed for Finn. "Here you go, little friend. This is your special sleep spot," she said kindly. Finn nestled into the seaweed, and the gentle swaying started to lull him. The pearl lanterns danced above, casting a warm, soft glow. "Take a deep breath, Finn, and let the waves carry you away to dreamland," Seraphina said, her voice barely above a whisper. Taking a deep breath, Finn felt his body relax for the first time. The rhythm of the ocean waves matched his heartbeat, and his big, sleepy eyes began to close. Seraphina watched over him, her heart full of love and magic. As Finn finally settled down, a soft yawn escaped his lips one last time, followed by a sleepy smile. "Sweet dreams, my little seahorse friend," Seraphina whispered softly. And in the tranquil embrace of the underwater world, Finn drifted off into a deep, peaceful sleep. Seraphina continued to sing a gentle lullaby, knowing that her friend was safe and sound, wrapped in the magic of their beautiful ocean home. And together, in their enchanted underwater kingdom, they found the sweetest rest beneath the shimmering waves.